name is Tiara Crawford, and I'm the handmade fashion designer of Selah Couture label. I've been designing since 2002. I graduated from IADT in Tampa, Florida. My design aesthetic is very out there. I come from a very conservative, classy, low-key on the sex appeal, but I definitely bring in my own oddness and quirk to my definition of Selah Couture. It's just me having a good time and using my fabric as my medium. For me, as a designer, my clothing line is very crucial. It's imperative to the goal that I have, which is building a college called the House of Selah, and I want to teach performing fine arts and include fashion design as one of the main core curriculums. To be a part of the RAW movement and to be one of the designers here, I think it's incredible. Just the idea that they're even thinking about going around into different cities and finding the local talent. It's hard for us already, just being out here underground artists, and for RAW to actually care and take out the time to build a platform for us to showcase our hard work. I think that's incredible. It's an amazing opportunity, and I'm just happy to be a RAW artist. I have a website that you can contact me for productions, also for clothing and even model training and consulting, and that website is selahproductionsinc.com. My name is Tiara Crawford, and I'm a RAW artist.